Hello students, so hope you are doing great by staying at home. So you all are aware, so this odd semester of academic year 2020, in this semester I would like to teach the subject linear integrated circuits and applications for your section. And you have given the tremendous response in the last 2-3 months, because in the last academic year, the last semester, you have given a very good, actually you are very actively participated. So as and when the subject is going on, okay, and the same response I would like to expecting from all of you in this academic year also. Okay, right. So in this fifth semester, I'm going to be teaching the subject linear integrated circuits and application, and it is also having the laboratory, that is integrated circuits made up of a lot of electronic components such as resistor, capacitors, inductors, and of course the active components like diodes and then transistors. So all these components we are connecting through wires onto the printer. Okay, so that circuit can be used for some application, right? So for example, so if an application demands more number of electronic components, for example, so 100 resistors and more than 100 capacitors and so many diodes and so many transistors. Okay, so these are the requirements for a specific application. If an application demands more number of electronic components, that is more than 100 in figure. So for that purpose, so all the components, okay, so all the discrete components we are going to be uh, embedding onto the PCB, that is printed circuit board or breadboard. That is our wish. Okay, and if you see, so after connecting all the components onto the printed circuit board, that is PCB, and that should be looks like very big in size, very big in size. Okay, and not only that, so earlier the size of a computer which is used to be very big, and however nowadays the laptop computers and then palm top computers which are going to be available. Okay, and all of us we are going to be using the same. Okay, so are you wondering what made the miniaturization of electronic gadgets that is possible? So this IC have a big role to play the miniaturization of the electronic gadgets. So an attempt was made to fabricate the entire circuit, which is consisting of 100 in figure, more than 100. Okay, and many components. Okay, so on a small single block of the semiconductor, almost all gadgets like cars, the size of an ice 1 mm. Okay, so actually it should be looks like a your thumbnail. It is going to be looks like a thumbnail. Just imagine. So inside of this IC, it should be having so many electronic components such as resistor and all. Okay, and so many integration that can be done. But at the outside, we are going to be looking at, and I have told you, so the course name, okay, before you know what is the circuit and all. Okay, so which is going to be, okay, and as you all know, the linearity condition is nothing but as the voltage is increases, current is also increases. Okay, otherwise we can call the corresponding circuit is going to be exhibiting the linear. Made the miniaturization of the electronic gadgets was grouped into two categories. One is analog, like analog and digital, which is based upon depending upon the input you are going to be providing. Okay, and if the digital signal, that is binary number, either it will be wanted. Okay, so this is a basic idea about the linear integration. And in addition to that, we'll be also having the is group two categories. Okay, so the first category is you are going to be seeing the experiments which is used circuits. So the corresponding course you already studied in the previous semester. Here integrated circuits and as well as the digital integrated circuits experimentations in one place. That is, we are going to be naming the circuit. We are going to be naming the code. Very happy. I'm very so you people used to GATE or Indian Engineering Service or any competitive examinations. Okay, so my dear students, I'm really happy to see you. Okay, so for that purpose, okay, okay. So thank you.